Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a Thursday. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their friends, and the market is down. Oh, behave. This is not supposed to happen. We got about average volume on the 2-minute charts. AD is humming along at 138 and going down. And remember what we said yesterday. If we look at the big green monster, this is not surprising. We said, hey, target achieved. We hit the target of the 45.84 line, which is our 50% mark on our big green monster. And we expect now to explore some of these areas down here where there were little or no volume. So our target is the 45.40, and we may even go lower since there was no volume in this area. Well, this is the volume the last 10 days. So really, this is kind of out of bounds now. This is where we originally thought we would go, but right now our target is around that 45.40. We should explore price in there. Will it be today? Will it be tomorrow? Really doesn't matter. Let's look at our linear regression chart. Linear regression. Get into that. Linear regression is just what we've been thinking. Lower volume. Volume did spike a little bit over the last 2 days, but we still think this is going to turn over at some point. So interesting. Not a lot to see. Not, just another boring day. I think it's been 4 or 5 days of the SPX trading in a very, very tight range. And so that does really good for our strategy because our strategy is awesome, baby. Look at this. Ta-da! Look at that. Doesn't that look good? 2.5 standard deviations down, and we are in the money, baby. Let's go. So let's trade our little IRAs today. And let's look at the regular IRA today. Bobby, you can do this in an IRA? Heck yeah, you can. Isn't that cool? So let's see what our IRA is today. We are at $93,022. 93,022. Let's put that in and see if we made any money or not. 93. Oh crap, we didn't make any money. We lost money. 93,022. We lost $32. I don't even think that's possible. How does our strategy lose money? It can't. Let me look at that again. I can't believe we're down. Let's see. Netlick and day trades. Let's see. We are at 93,030. That's what it says. So we're down just a little bit. Even though it says we're up $15 on the day. So I guess. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. We're at 55 delta, 63 theta, 55, 63. Let's put that in. 55, 63. Oh, yeah, our theta is bumped up a little bit. Good. And I think the VIX is still in the 12 handle. Our buying power usage is $27,000. 27.3. So we're a little light on theta, y'all. And so with the market being down today, why don't we put on a trade? Let's do it. So let's go and do us a little bit of a trade to get us a little bit more usage here. Let's go to the micros. And we'll go closest to 120 days. So we have 106 or 141. So let's go to the 106 day. And let's sell us some 5 deltas. Let's do 2 tranches today. So let's do 5 delta. Let's do 2 with 3,800. So we'll do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And bump this up to maybe $13 or so, $13.25. There we go. See if we can get filled. Come on, baby. Hit me. There we go. $13.25 at the 3,800. $13.25, 3,800. So let's remember that. $13.25, 3,800. So the 3,800 puts naked, what was the days? 106, 11, 30, 23. There we go. And this is our 100th, y'all. Stand up and take a bow because we just did our 100th trade of the year, which is kind of cool. So we did 4 of those as we did the other day. So we'll call this naked put 100. And we'll put on PDS 100. And we'll do 2 tranches of the put debit spread. And puts debit 106, 11, 30, 23. All right, let's put this on. So here we go. Let's see. 25 delta is going to be about there. but I don't want to sell where I've sold. So let's try to put it in the same place we had it before. We'll do the 4350, 4300. Should be a little cheaper, 775. Let's see if we get filled there with 2 tranches. Come on, baby. It's going to make me needle it up a little bit. That ought to do it. Come on. There we go. We got filled at 785. So we'll put that in, 785. And we did the same strikes, running at 4350, 4300. Beautimus. So let's see if our theta went up indeed. We were at a theta of 63. Now our theta is, it ought to be more. It's 68 theta. And that's exactly how you do it, right? Let's go to the second IRA. We're in the process of getting another account set up so that we will be showing you the AIM program. If you want to get started on that, go read Robert Lucello's book, How to Make $1 Million in the Stock Market Automatically. It's a great book. It's a little dated, but you're going to love it because we're going to put AMD and NVIDIA into our little trading system, and we're going to see where we go. So we are at, in this account, 29,500, going once, twice, 29,508. It's moving all over the place. So we'll say 29,500. See if this account's up or down. Darn, we're down a little bit in this one too. Dagnabbit. That's all right. Our positions are safe. Everybody's doing good. All right, Gregson ratios over here. Let's see if we're light or heavy. And over here, we got 1621. 1621. Beautimus. And IV at 12, or the VIX at 12. So, and our buying power usage is 9,800. Okay, 9,800 using 33% of our buying power. I say let's do another trade in here, y'all. Are y'all with me on that one? I think we do. And this will be our 100th trade as well. So let's go and do MES. And if y'all have not seen the AIM spreadsheet, wait, it's a bigger accomplishment than this one. I use formulas that I've never seen in my life. I had to Google how to use these formulas, but y'all are going to like it. So let's do naked put 100, put debit spread 100, and puts debit spread 106. Just filling in all my things before I go sell it. And so get this one ready, 11:30, 23. And 106. Naked, baby. There we go. And puts. All right, now let's go put them in. So we'll go over here and we'll go trade. Make sure we're in micros. 106. So yeah, let's try that same thing. We'll do the 4350, 4300. 4350, 4300. 775. So we said we got filled a while ago at 785. Let's see if we can get filled again. There we go. We're in at 785. Let's go put that in. 7.85. And let's sell our naked puts. Down at a 5% probability of being in the money. So we could do either the, wow, look at those bid ask spreads. Let's do the 3,800 again here too. So we'll do 3,800s, do 2 of those. And we'll move this up to 1350. See if we can get filled at 1350. Come on, baby. Fill me, baby. There we go. 1350, 3,800s. Put those in. 3,800. What do we say? 1350. And we did the 4350, 4,300. Okay, that's it. Just easy peasy, baby. So don't tell me that you guys can't do this on your lunch break. Don't tell me you can't do this while you're sitting in your office or when you're in your bathroom with your phone. Before I started doing sessions with you, I did all my trading on my cell phone. It's easy. It's you do your trade, you monitor your Greeks, you monitor your buying power, and you do this stuff. Now, some of you that may be out there going, I'm scared to death, Bobby. Don't be scared to death. In 100 years, you're going to be dead. So you've got to take some risk. Take some calculated risk. Don't be afraid of it and reap the rewards, my friend. So y'all have a great, great day. I will see everybody tomorrow.